Hey everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got today is our May kit reveals. As you know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club. We provide 3 kits, a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. Plus we have our own laser cut chipboard. So make sure you check us out at www.treasureleekits.com. But while you're here, make sure you hit that little notification bell down below and subscribe, like, and comment on this video. First up, we're going to have our scrapbook kit. Okay, so first up is our scrapbook kit. It's $52. That does include your U.S. shipping. And this month we've got a lot of fun brand new stuff. I don't know if you know, but Creativation was just a month and a half ago, and that's where all the manufacturers come together and they show their new lines and you can find new stuff. You have international people there, and we came across a new company to the US. They're not new, but they're new to the US, and we were lucky enough to go ahead and order some stuff from them. So that's what we got in our scrapbook kit. We'll get on with it. First up, we've got some chipboard. This is Treasure Lee's chipboard. This is one of our flower sets, and you can find it on the website already at www.treasureleekits.com, and I believe it's under the section Nature. If you go to the top bar and you'll see Shop, and you'll click on Chipboard and you'll see all the categories. Click on one of the categories and you'll see everything that's available there. So this is in store already, but it is in our kit. We've also got some flowers in our kit. First up, we've got some Prima flowers. You got 5 pieces in here. There's some really pretty pinks. And this is from their With Love line. And then you've also got some more flowers. These are satin flowers. They're really, really pretty fabric flowers in multiple colors. And you get 6 pieces here. And these are also from their With Love line. Now, for our papers and other embellishments, I told you we found a new to the U.S. company, and it's called Uniquely Creative. And we've got one of their lines here. But first off, we've got some of the embellishments. These are their buttons that go with the paper. And we've also got some of the creative cutouts, or their ephemera. That's so, so pretty. Pull out a couple of sheets, a couple of pieces for you here. And you've got tons in here. How cute are the little animals? Got some little koala bears and some kangaroos. But you've got some flowers in here. And you've also got some title sentiments. These can be inked. And they're nice and thick. So you've got the whole pack of those. And it doesn't say how many pieces you've got in here, but you've got quite a bit. You're also going to get this sheet of cutouts, and it's a paper tag die. These would be really cute to make a little quick tag mini album, or make some tags for cards or birthdays or something. But you've got some sentiments here, some words. You've got some flowers, some postage stamps with some cute little animals on it. And if you haven't noticed, with the kangaroo and the koala bears, this is an Australian company. And now let's get into the papers. First of all, you're going to get 16 sheets of paper. So basically you're getting 2 sets in here. And your top sheet, first of all, this little sheet is it's an exact duplicate of your cutouts that you're getting. So, like I said, you could split this up. Basically, you're getting 2 sets. So you're going to have 2 of these. And then I'm just going to go through the single sheets, but just know you're going to have 2 of each. How pretty is this? With this here, all you need to do is add a photo in here and maybe a few more flowers, but you wouldn't have to do much to this. Here's the back side. This is actually also gorgeous. And I'm glad that you get 2 sheets, because say you want to use this side on one and this side on another, you actually have a second sheet. And here we are again. We've got these pretty pinks and greens and these florals. And here's your back side, a little bit of polka dots. And then you've got some more green here. So, so pretty. And then you get a sheet again with some more tags on it. and you've got some more sayings. And again, remember, you get 2 of these, so if you want to cut one up, but if you want to use the back side of the other one, you've got that. And then you've got another sheet of ephemera, and again, you can cut up one sheet and use the back side of the other. Very, very pretty. And although this looks pretty feminine on one side, the other side looks like you could get some masculine layouts in here, you know, with the textures. And again, you've got another sheet here. These can be used as card toppers, journaling cards, or whatever. And again, one sheet for that, and then another sheet for the back side. So just very, very pretty. And this is your last sheet of 8. And then you've just got, like I said, another whole set in here. So you've got 2. So you've got 16 sheets of paper. And basically you've got 2 of these. You've got this full pack of ephemera. Got some buttons, some flowers, and some chipboard. And that is the scrapbook kit for the month of May. And like I said, it's on our website at www.trejoliekits.com. You may want to head over there and grab one now because kits are limited. So if you're seeing this video now, that means the kits have been released. And whatever's left in stock is all we're going to have. But the best thing to do to avoid that is to just go ahead and subscribe, and then you'll be guaranteed your kit every month. And speaking of subscribe, make sure you go down to the link below, you hit subscribe, you hit your notification bell, and you turn it to all, so you're notified every time we upload a video. Plus, we do once a month lives. Next up, we're going to our cards, tags, and more kit. Now, our cards, tags, and more kit is a little bit different. If you like to do small projects, then you'll love our cards, tags, and more kit, because one month you may get something for cards, the next month you may get a mini album, you may get something for ATCs, but it's just like our small projects, and this is where we really like to mix it up. So for this month, you've got stuff for whether you want to make cards or tags. But first up, you're going to get this package of gold Prima flowers. There's 20 pieces in here. And this is from their Sunrise Sunset line. And that was a while ago, but flowers just never go out of style. And I love these metallic gold flowers. Next up, you're going to get some Say It in Pearls. There's 12 pieces in here. And these are cute little accents that you can add to cards or your tags. And it says these are brown, but you've got some gold in them as well. You're also going to get some more chipboard from Trejolies, and these are called our bits and pieces, and these are already on the website. Again, these might be under backgrounds, but go ahead and look for them on our website. But you've got some bits and pieces, and we've got newer chipboard now, and our chipboard's a lot thicker, a lot sturdier than what it used to be. I'm much more happy with this chipboard. You're also going to get some chalk ink, and this is in Summerfield, a nice pretty spring green. You're going to get 12 inches of this really pretty lace, and you can use this as a whole piece or cut these little pieces out in 2s or 3s or 4s or however you want. But you're going to get the lace. And then you've got this cute little frame that we've thrown in there. It's going to be really cute on a card or a tag. And then you're going to get a full pack of clear stamps, and these are timeless sentiments. So you've got some congratulations, happy birthday, thinking of you, sympathy, best wishes, new baby, get well soon, thank you. You can make all kinds of cards with these and use these stamps over and over and over again. You're also going to get this metal die, and what this is it's a flower cluster builder. And if you can see right here, this is what it looks like once you put it all together. And when you open it up, all the pieces are together, so you don't have to fumble for any of the small pieces. If you want to cut it apart in sections, you can do that, or you can just keep it in one piece and layer your paper and run it through your die cut machine, so everything will be cut in different colors, or just cut smaller squares and place them and die cut it that way. But you're going to have this whole metal die. And then you're going to get some 8.5 by 11 color cardstock, and these are the perfect colors to cut out your flower cluster in. So you're going to get 3 sheets of this hot pink. You're going to get 3 sheets of what I would call like this lime green. It's a really vibrant green. And then you're going to get 3 of this softer pink. 3 of like this banana yellow. And then 3 more of this darker green. But again, like I said, these are perfect colors for that floral dye. And you're also going to get some 12 by 12 paper. So you're going to get 6 sheets of this 12 by 12 paper. Front side's pretty neutral, and then you've got some really bright pinks on the back. So these can be used for your spring cards, your summer cards, your Mother's Day cards, because of these pretty colors. But you can also make some masculine cards too. And so here's your back side. Here's your front. There's your back. So basically whatever design is on the front, it's on the back as well, but it's just in a different color. So these line up and will match up really well. And here's your last sheet. And this is our cards, tags, and more kit. This retails for $42. And again, this is on our website, and I know these are extremely limited. So head on over there if you're interested in checking this and getting this kit. Head on over there now and go ahead and pick it up at www.trejoliekids.com. Or, like I said, just go ahead and subscribe, and then that way you'll never miss out on one of our kits. Next up, we have our mixed media kit. So here is our mixed media kit. And again, at Creativation, I found a lot of fun stuff. But if you don't know about our mixed media kit, this kit is for building up your mediums. We give you smaller sizes so you can try stuff out. But we also include a project, so it is a standalone kit. This one retails for $47. And you can buy this on your own, and once you open it up, because we include a project, you can go ahead and use your mediums and create a project. The best part about it is if you get our mixed media kit, then you'll have lots of mediums from the past kit, and everything kind of mixes and matches together. And so you'll have all these mediums that you can go ahead and try out. First up, we've got, let's go through the mediums first. First up, we've got this 2-step crackle. You've got step 1, and then you've got step 2. And then you're also, and that's 2 ounces. And then you've also got this sheer metallic. It's called Sheer Bliss. It's highly pigmented and very shiny. If you see down on the bottom, you can see all the shimmer to it. And make sure you just give this a good shake before you use it, because you want to mix all that goodness up in here. And then we've got some paint glazes. We've got this first one in Van Dyke Brown, and this is in a 1 ounce. But it's a really pretty brown. But because it's a glaze, it's not opaque. It's really sheer, but it gives a nice flush of color. And then we've got another glaze in Verdant Green. It's like a greenish gray. And again, this is a glaze, so it's going to give you a sheer wash of color. It's not going to be opaque. And then we've also got metallic paint. Now this one is a paint, so it's going to give you that opaqueness that you want, and it's in copper, and it's a nice shiny color. And again, make sure that you give all of these a good shake before you use them. Better yet, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Links down below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because we will be creating videos using all of these products. Next up, you're going to get, this is from Trejolie. This is our Steampunk Butterfly. And it will be on the website under Nature. And then also you're going to get this piece. This is another Steampunk Butterfly. And what this is this is something brand new that we found at CHA. It is a butterfly. It is made out of wood, but once you heat it, it becomes flexible, so you could bend the wings. You need either a heat gun, or they were using like a hot plate at the show to demo it. And all you have to do is just sit it there or heat it up, and once it gets warm, it becomes pliable. Like I said, you can bend this, and don't worry if you break it. You can always glue it back together and give it a little sand and it will look great. So you've got this butterfly, and then you've got a canvas too. So this is our, I believe it's an 8x10 canvas that's going to go along with our mixed media kit. And you can find all this again on our website at www.trejoliekits.com. And these have been our May kits. And like I said, if you're seeing this reveal, then that means that the kits are live. You can go ahead and see what's available in the store on the website. But again, make sure you're following us here. Like, comment, and subscribe on this video. We'd appreciate it. It helps us get more videos out to you. So like I said, this has been Kim for Trejolie Kits. Thanks for stopping by.